China, with a population of 1.4 billion people, has been the world's most populous country for several decades. However, in recent years, the country has been facing a major demographic challenge, a declining birth rate and an aging population. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind the Chinese population decline. In 1950s, under Mao Zedong, China experienced one of the most gruesome famines on record. About 30 million people died. If we look at the birth and death rate chart, we will see a big spike on death rate as well as a big decline in birth rate, causing the population to shrink. But this didn't last long, as along with better medical facilities that decrease infant mortality rate, now average Chinese family had average 6 children. The birth rate skyrocketed, which government saw as a big problem. So they came out with a policy which they called as later, longer, fewer. Later marriages, longer birth intervals, and fewer births. This led to the birth rate to start declining. But it was not enough, as after some time the birth rate was same as before the policy. So in 1979, Chinese government introduced the one child policy, which aimed to control the country's population growth. The policy restricted most families to having only one child, with some exceptions for rural families and ethnic minorities. The policy was strictly enforced and led to forced abortions, sterilizations, and fines for those who violated it. But this policy worked too well. If any population of a country wants to remain same for a long time, all the couples need to have 2.1 children. One to replace father, one to replace mother, and zero point 0.1 children that die before becoming adult. But China only had 1.18 children per couple. It also created a gender imbalance as family favored male children and aborted female fetuses. This led to an excess of male births, which has had a lasting impact on China's society. According to Chinese government, there were 30 million more men than women in China in 2020. One of the major consequences of one-child policy is that China's population is aging rapidly. According to data from United Nations, the proportion of China's population aged 65 and over has increased from just 4.9% in 1980 to 12.6% in 2020. With fewer young people entering the workforce and more elderly people needing care, the country's social and economic systems are under strain. This led to concerns about the sustainability of China's development in the long term. The aging population has several implications for China's economy and society. Firstly, it could lead to shortages of workers, which could hamper economic growth. According to International Monetary Fund, China's labor force could decline by as much as 200 million people by 2050. This could lead to decline in China's competitiveness and economic power. Secondly, the aging population could strain the country's social welfare system and healthcare system as more elderly people require care and support. The reasons for the declining birth rate is complex and varied. One factor is changing attitudes towards marriage and parenthood in China. Many young people are choosing to delay marriage and children as they prioritize their careers and personal life. The high cost of living in urban areas is also a factor, as many couples cannot afford to have children. In Shanghai in 2008, average house price had surpassed average salary. Additionally, the one-child policy has had a lasting impact on China's society, with many families accustomed to having only one child and not wanting to have more. In conclusion, China's population decline is a complex issue with significant implications for country's future, and the aging population, declining birth rate are creating significant challenges for the country's social and economic system. While the two-child policy has not had the desired effect, China's government is exploring new ways to encourage childbirth and support families. It remains to be seen how these efforts will impact China's population and its future on the world stage. Thank you for watching.